This update is for Thursday, the 10th of November, 2022. Getting on right now to 8:20 a.m. Central Time, and what a great day. Take a look at the size of the rally in the stock market, the metal markets, the plunge in the dollar, the big move up in foreign currencies. I'm a very happy camper today. I had one position for my subscribers coming in. It was long in a currency, and I told them to take some money off the table before I did this. I'm very happy, obviously. Look at the bonds and notes, a dramatic rally. What is going on and why? Let me explain what happened. What we got today, and you know the all-important CPI number was coming out. So I've highlighted the important part. 7.7%, the CPI headline number, under the 7.9. But I think more important than that is the 6.3% core CPI versus the estimated 6.5. I want to go on record. This is the wobble finally. We're now starting to see the impact of all these rate hikes this year finally hitting the price areas that matter. I think this is the end of 75 basis point hikes. My guess is that one wobble will lead into another and the market will come down. What it won't do, and while all this euphoria is taking place in the market because traders will realize what I am, but what it won't do is stop the overall trajectory. We're going to continue to see interest rate hikes, probably in the tune of December of a 50 basis point, and then if we get another number, ideally if you can crack 6% at some point, maybe it's 25 basis point hikes until the Fed sees that your core CPI is doing this and interest rates are going to intersect like that and get over it. I think that's going to be the key to the market. But I'm on record now, and I'll be writing it to my clients, that I think the wobble has taken place. It's right in front of Thanksgiving, so it's not the gobble, it's the wobble. And I think that this is an important day. Does this mean you run out and you buy a 900-point rally in the Dow? Does it mean you pick up a 100-point rally in the S&P? No, that's not what I'm saying. I get the shorts coming out of the market. There are a lot of bets on this market that way, and that's why I warn you, going through the reports are so dangerous. If you're going to do it, you go in very small, but it's really not the smartest thing to do when you're right in front of it. I picked a currency that was not the Swiss, not the euro, okay, just so you know, not the pound, to go in on the long side with it. I thought it had everything right going for it. Their inflation had fallen and it worked out. Jobless claims also going the Fed direction. 7,000 increase, the market was hoping for 3. That's what it wants to see. And the continuing claims going up. Remember, the Fed wants that pain there. Now, we get not only Philly Fed President Harker and Ms. Mester, I think Ms. Daly speaking. We got, I think, 5 Fed speakers coming on today. It will be fascinating to see what they say, but I think they'll say what I am. We're starting to see the impact of it, and now the Fed has to make discussions on how far to take the interest rate hikes. Overall, I think the 75 basis point, I think you'll see in the Fed swaps and all the CME indicators, that'll come out of the market. We get the EIA number that comes out today. They are looking for another injection here of 85 billion cubic feet. That's big. At this time a year ago, that compares to a negative, by the way. So I think you want to be very, very careful here and just see what the markets do in the energies. They shouldn't go anywhere off this news. And you're going to say, and I hope you say, why is that, Ira? Because this is based on China's lockdowns right now. That's what the market's looking at there. This other part of the market, this is the gut reaction of the wobble taking place, and that's great news. Look at how much you're down in the dollar. Getting back up to that 114 level going to be extremely difficult. The guys that are saying long-term bullish, I think that you've seen a change in the dollar index, okay? It'll take a lot for me to change my opinion on that. So today for me is a big change day, and it's nice that you sit here in a neutral position and you can make those type of statements. And I did do it. This morning we were talking when I put out my morning subscriber video, and I remember I record today, I think I recorded at 5:20 in the morning. prepping trade for what I thought. I was looking for a positive number, didn't know how positive it would be, had no idea. And now that I've seen this, I've made my change. And when I do my update now after 9 o'clock for the Spider ETF, I'll explain to the people there what I'm saying. You just get the glimpsing of what I do. All the detail is in this, and that's what you want to look at. Folks, it's less than what you're paying for Starbucks. Go to Starbucks 2 days in a month, you're paying more money than you're getting for 30 days of videos from me. So come on, why not take a shot at this? Go to our website, take a look at them, come on. All you need to do is go up to the research center at iraepstein.com. It's all laid out for you there. It's simple. I think that the idea there is going to give you ideas, and you do realize this weekend's report, when I review the weekly charts for the longer term, it's going to be a big impact, these moves today, on that. I think you want to see that. If you want to go there, fine. You can also move your cursor to the top up here. You'll see an icon. Give that a click. You can also call my staff. They'll work with you and get you all set up. I'm Ira Epstein, looking forward to the end of the day wrap-ups today. There's going to be a lot to talk about. Does the market hold? Does it give up some of this? Where are we going to be? You have a great trading day. I'll see you then.